Hello students, we are going to start a new exercise today of cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral inscribed in a circle is called your cyclic quadrilateral. Now here if I am taking a quadrilateral ABCD, we can see that all the points of the quadrilateral or the vertices of the quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle or circle. So this type of quadrilateral is known as your cyclic quadrilateral. Now the first theorem is that the sum of either pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. Now here if I am taking this angle as x, so this angle will be your 180 minus x because sum of opposite pair of angle is your 180. If I am taking this angle as y, then the opposite side angle will be 180 minus y. So this is your first theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Now here I am taking another theorem that an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. So if I am taking this exterior angle, this exterior angle will be equal to the interior opposite angle. So this will be also x. See, if this is x, this is a straight line. Obviously if this is a straight line, this is your 180 minus x. And just now we have taken the theorem that opposite angle sum is your 180. So the sum of these will be 180. So from this we can conclude that an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. This is your another theorem. Now we come on the exercise. In these question we need to find out x. So here first thing, angle BOD is given your 50 degree, 150 degree. Now we know that angle on the circle is half of angle on the center of the same segment. Here we can take the segment BD. If I am taking this segment BD, this segment is making 150 on the center, so this segment will make half of 150 on the circle. So angle BAD will be your half of 150, that is 75. Reason you can write. Then now we can see that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, Now if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, just now I told you that exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. So here this is our exterior angle and this angle will be equal to the interior opposite angle, which is 75. So I can write x equals to angle BAD, which is your 75, and reason is exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite interior angle. Now we come on next question. In this question we need to find out x. So here now this is given here 25. In the question it is given 25 here. Now AB is diameter, so you know that a semicircle makes 90 degree at the circumference. So semicircle, so from here I can write angle ACD is 90. Okay, and here already it is given that CAB is your 25. So we can calculate now angle B. Okay, so from here angle ABC will be your 180 minus 90 plus 25, because angle sum of a triangle is 180 always, and solving this you will get 65. So now this is your 65. Now we can see that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. If this is a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle will make 180 degree. So from here you can see that x is opposite of 65. So x can be written as 180 minus 65, that is 115. Reason we can write opposite angles sum is 180 in cyclic quadrilateral, and here's ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. In this question it is given that angle ADC is your 80. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. We can see that all the vertices lie on the circle. So ABC is your cyclic quadrilateral. So from here we can calculate this angle. So angle ABC, angle ABC will be 180 minus 80, that is your 100, because sum of opposite angles is 180 degree in cyclic quadrilateral. Now we know that angles on the same segment are equal. If I am taking this segment, this segment is making 52 here. So same segment will make 52 here also. So this is going to be your 52. So I can write angle ABD. Angle ABD will be your 52. Reason angles on same segment. Now if angle ABD is 52, we can find out this total angle is your 100. This total angle is your 100. So this angle will be your 100 minus 52. So from here I can write angle CBD will be your 100 minus 52, or we can write here angle CBD is equal to angle ABC minus angle DBA. So from here you will get 48. Let's move on to the next question. Now in this question they have given angle DAO is your 51 degree and angle AOE is given 150 degree. We need to find out angle BEC and angle EBC. These two angles we need to find out. Now we can see that ABED is your cyclic quadrilateral. If this is cyclic quadrilateral, your exterior angle, this is your exterior angle, this exterior angle will be equal to the opposite interior angle. So from here I can write angle BEC is equal to angle DA angle DAB, which is your 51 degree. Now reason will be exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Now we need to find out this angle. For this we can have, here we can see that we can calculate this reflex angle. This reflex angle will be your 360 minus 150. So that is your 210. Now we can see that this segment is making 210 at the center, so same segment will make 210 upon 2 at the circle, that is your 105. So from here I can write reflex of angle AOE is your 360 minus 150, that is 210. So angle ADE will be 210 upon 2, that is 105, because angle at the circle is half of angle on the center. Now from here, now this is your angle B is your exterior angle of your angle D. So from here I can write angle EBC is equal to angle ADE, which is your 105. Same reason will be same, exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle. Now we have another question. In this question here it is given that this is angle 30. We need to find out the angle of PQ and R, and O is the center of the circle. Now we know that angles on the same segment are equal. Now here if I am taking BD, okay, BD is making angle 30 here and BD is same making angle R here. So I can write R equals to 30 degree angles on same segment. Now we come on next part. Next part is we need to find out angle P. We can see that AB, let us take this as C. Okay, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. If this is cyclic quadrilateral, then sum of opposite angle will be 180. So P can be written as 180 minus 30, that is 150. So because sum of opposite angles is 180 in cyclic quadrilateral. Now we can find out Q also. Q is angle at the center and 30 is angle at the circle. So Q will be your 2 times of 30, that is 60, because angle at center is double of angle at circle of same segment. Segment is same here.